So let me show you step by step on how I made this delicious tomato stew. So wash your tomatoes very well, put it in a pot, boil it. So wash your protein, season it very well with rosemary, any seasoning of your choice. So in this video I used thyme, rosemary, onion and pepper, but you can use any seasoning of your choice. So the reason for boiling the tomato is to reduce the frying time. Okay, so allow your protein to cook for some time before adding water. So in a separate pot, add oil, season the oil with bay leaf and of course any seasoning of your choice. Then go ahead and blend your cooked tomatoes. In your oil, add onions, add your tomato paste, fry it for some time, then add your cooked fresh tomatoes. Then let it fry for some time. Don't fry it too much. Then go in with your protein. Then don't forget to add vegetable. Hey, believe me, everybody will love this stew. It's just very easy, guys. Try it and thank me later. Bye. Mwah. I love you guys.